The creator economy is bigger than you think, and here's why. Most people think that the creator economy is just YouTube and social media. But what they don't realize is this is quietly becoming one of the biggest wealth shifts happening right now. And if you understand that early, you don't need millions of followers, you don't need ads, you just need to start. Let me break this down in a simple way so you can actually get it. This is not about influencers. It's about ownership, digital products, and your tribe. It's about people turning knowledge, skills, or content into income. You no longer need permission to make money. You need content, products, and systems. Most people are going to miss this because they think they have to be famous first. This is exactly why I focus on simple digital products. You don't need to be famous. You don't need to be an influencer or need a huge following to start. There are over 50 million uh, people making money online right now without a boss, without a job, without asking permission. It's called the creator economy. And here's the truth: most people, especially over 50, don't realize how big this opportunity is. So in this video, I'm going to bring it to you real and raw, straight, no chaser. That's how I roll. I'm going to explain why this might be one of the best or the biggest opportunities available today. Let's start with what the creator economy actually is. At its core, it's a digital world where everyday people make money by sharing their knowledge, experience, and content ideas, all online. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, WhatsApp, X, etc. No gatekeepers, no traditional system, no waiting for approval, no permissions asked, no questions asked. Just you doing you. Now think about that for a moment. Years ago, if you wanted to make money with your ideas, you needed a publisher to publish your book, a company to promote your work, a network to spread your work. You had to know somebody, and somebody had to say yes. Today, you can press record, share your message, and reach people all over the world. Get your phone out, press record, share your message, and reach people all over the world. Now, to be able to implement your idea in a product or service in this manner is a serious shift. So, Jamal, what does the creator economy actually look like? Since we're on YouTube, let's talk about it. You have people creating YouTube videos, sharing what they know. You have people creating products, sharing what they know. You have people creating ebooks, courses, and other online business ideas, sharing what they know. People teaching skills to help solve problems. Now, this is where it gets really interesting. Um, People are paid directly, no middleman. Imagine that. No delays, no waiting on Friday, money going straight to your account. Now, the startup cost and overhead is low because you don't need a building, you don't need staff or inventory. Now, couple that with the ability to reach a global audience, and it's easy to see how uh, your business could be growing like it's on steroids in no time flat. You can even do this all from your laptop or your phone, from the comfort of your the office in your home, from the coffee shop, or from the beach, and deliver whatever you've created all over the world. Let's talk about the size of this opportunity. The creator economy is a multi-billion-dollar market, soon to be a trillion-dollar market. So it's growing by leaps and bounds. More people are learning online, buying digital products, selling digital products, following creators, becoming creators, building personal brands. It just gets gooder and gooder and gooder. At 70 years young, I'm stepping into this world myself. Not because it's trendy, but because it's practical. It allows me to create income, share what I learned, share what I know, and add something and do something that isn't tied to one location. To me, that's powerful. That's big balling, shot calling, as they say. Now let's talk about why this matters, especially after 50. At this stage of your life, you may not want to start a traditional business. You may not want employees, overhead, long hours, going into an office, dealing with traffic, being tied down. Not at 50, but you still want more income, more freedom, and more flexibility. This model makes that possible. But here's the real deal. This is not about overnight success. It takes consistency. It takes commitment, learning, growing, getting out of your comfort zone, and above all, taking action. The barrier to entry is lower than ever before, while the opportunity is larger than ever before. Now, here's what most people get wrong. I have to be famous. I have to be an influencer. I have to go viral. You don't need any of that. You just need to start. As simple as that. This is not rocket science, but this is a science. But the science is basic, and there's only 3 steps to the science. 1, identify a problem. 2, create a solution to the problem. And 3, deliver the solution to the problem digitally. That's it. That's the entire system. 1, 2, 3, problem solved, get paid. That's how this works. And people pay to get their problem solved. The bigger the problem, the bigger the paycheck. Right here on this channel, I'm sharing my journey so you can see me fumble, tumble, and stumble around, showing my imperfections. Right? You see them. But I used to be concerned with things like I don't have the right equipment, I don't have the right environment, no studio, the right scenery, and all that nonsense. When life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. So you can see it's not about perfection, it's about showing up as you with what you have. See, you already have your own tribe, but they can't find you sitting on the couch. You don't have to be perfect, but you do have to be real and authentic. Be authentically you. from the jump. No faking it. So if you like to follow along and watch me grow this in real time, consider subscribing, sharing, liking, commenting, and hyping the video. Your participation is important, more important than you think. Leave some comments as this helps the channel grow. Because I love you so much, I put together a simple resource designed to jog your memory, get you thinking, get your creative juices flowing. So be sure to check out the free guide in the description below. Now, let me leave you with this. The creator economy isn't about being an influencer. It's about owning something that pays you. Remember, build freedom, live fully. Now, if I seem to be a little off today, I have a serious toothache. Went to the doctor earlier today and got some medication, so I'm a little jazzed up on the medication now, but I didn't let that hold me back. My mission is to, and my goal is to create videos, produce videos every Monday. So I showed up. Here I am. It's not perfect, but I'm here. Y'all come back and see me now. Peace and love.